back and happy Friday, my friends. This is Lindsay back at you with another non-phone work from home job lead. Real quickly, I just want to say that I do not work for any of these companies. I am simply sharing the job leads that I come across online when I am searching. So I have no additional information about any of these job leads except what is posted in the job description. So I did want to note this one does not specifically state any state restrictions or any location restrictions. It just says that it is a remote position. So keep that in mind. But I wanted to share because this one seems really cool. The household appliance giant GE is hiring a social media customer care agent to work from home. And it says that their social media care agents are their frontline representatives for GE appliances. So this is kind of a customer service role, but of course it is non-phone based. You'll professionally respond to and resolve inquiries from incoming customer emails, web chats across a variety of topics like pre-purchase inquiries, installation requirements, basic troubleshooting, use and care information, and any complaints about their products. So some people may just be looking for the user manual for a product that they have. So you'll respond quickly and professionally to social media channel engagements, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, and any other platforms that they have. You'll resolve customer questions and respond to ratings of reviews for the GE products. And you'll also become proficient in using their internal platforms and resources that support their email, chat, ask and answer questions, such as their knowledge base and their geappliances.com website. Now, it does say the hiring salary for this is $34,000 a year, broken down between 52 weeks in a year is $653 a week. They are looking for someone who has previous customer service experience, particularly in written forms of customer service. Since this is a written form, non-phone job, they would like someone who has past experience doing that. Because it is a written form, you have to have good grammar, sentence structure, and spelling, and you have to be able to use a computer very well. Now, it does note there is a possibility of weekend work. It sounds like this is normally a daytime Monday through Friday job, although the hours and days are not specified in the job posting. If you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, as I'm always reading the comments and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. And I'll be back really soon with another work from home job lead just for you. Two videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.